How's it going, Glowforgers? I wanted to share a new product with you that I just came out with. It's the 6-inch exhaust adapter. Now, most of us seem to be perfectly happy just running the standard 4-inch hose that our Glowforge is set up for. And if we choose to run a 6-inch inline fan like this one, we just get a couple of reducers such as these, and it works out just fine for us. But I do know that there are many of you who like running a 6-inch hose with your 6-inch inline fan, so I decided to make this part just for you guys. One of these tin reducers from Home Depot or a store like that seems to be the most common solution that I've seen out there. They're really cheap, but as you know, they don't fit well on the back of the Glowforge, and you might still have leaks even if you tape the heck out of it. Additionally, I've seen a lot of people having to either lift their Glowforge up or hang it off the back of their table because the 6-inch opening opens into the table and there's just no room for it. So to fix that problem, what I chose to do is offset the 6-inch opening up. That way you don't have to hang your Glowforge off the back of your table, and there's still room for your hands to get underneath it and make adjustment to your hoses if you need to. It fits nice and snug in the back of your Glowforge. It's only 3 inches tall to try to save you some more room. And I put a couple of lips on here. One I put on the back to prevent your hose from falling in. There's a lip on the front to prevent your hose from falling off if it gets bumped. So if you're looking for a better way to keep your 6-inch hose connected to the back of your Glowforge, you might want to pick up one of these 6-inch exhaust adapters. I 3D print these here at my home in Phoenix, Arizona, and you can pick one up off Amazon in the link down below. Well, I hope this product helps eliminate a few headaches for you guys out there. Thank you again for all your love and support of this channel, and it's been really cool for me to be able to support you guys on your Glowforge journey. And until next time, happy Glowforging.